Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to split a table in Google Docs. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Docs, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, splitting a table in Google Docs can be done, but of course, it needs a workaround since Google Docs does not have a native split table function like some other word processors. However, you can achieve this by inserting a new table and copying content from the original table. Now, the thing is, if your table is too wide or long to fit nearly on a page, splitting it into smaller tables can help maintain a better overall document layout and prevent awkward page breaks, because smaller tables can be easier to read and comprehend, especially in documents with complex data or when presenting information to an audience. But how do we do it? Once you are here on your worksheet, now if you wanted to create a separation to split this table like from Andy to guide. All right, so let me just for example, you want to separate Andy from guide. What you to do is select the thing that you wanted to create and then drag it down here. You see that one? All right, let me do that again by clicking on undo or Control+Z. You have to select the entire data that you wanted to be separated or split, and then press Control and then hover your mouse down. All right. Now, if you wanted to remove this, obviously all you're gonna do is select this entire row, right click and delete rows. All right. Of course, you can copy the same thing here by clicking on this one, copy, and then here click on paste if you want it. All right, it's up to you. Basically, that's how you create or how to split a table in Google Docs. Now, the thing is, with smaller tables, it's often easier to edit and update, especially with different section of the table requiring frequent changes or updates, right? It's like macro managing. This is helpful. I find it very helpful when collaborating with others in a document. Like, for example, I'm working with other freelancers or clients, multiple collaborator. So what we normally do is splitting a large table into smaller ones. And of course, it can facilitate simultaneous editing and reviewing, reducing conflicts and confusions. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.